Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download TikTok on Android step by step. The first and foremost thing that you must ensure is that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. The other thing that you must ensure is by heading over to settings, scroll down to find about phone, and then in the software information, make sure that your Android version is Android 5.0 or above. This phone's Android version is Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can open Play Store on your device, and in Play Store you must be signed in to your Google account. To ensure that you're signed into your Google account, check for your profile icon at the top right of your screen. If you're not signed in, you'll have to sign in. After that, you can head over to the search bar and simply search for TikTok in the search bar. After that, you can hit install right next to TikTok, after which Play Store will download TikTok for you on your device, and you can open it and log into TikTok and start viewing content and messaging. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.